Hello and welcome. Thank you for viewing the SONA Systems tutorial intended for students. This section will demonstrate the processes of creating a student account in the SONA system and recovering the password to a SONA student account. To create a student account, navigate to sfsu.sona-systems.com. On the right side of the screen, click the Request Account button. On the following page, enter your first and last name and email address. Be sure to also include your SFSU ID number. Click the Request Account button. You will then receive an automated email with your login information and identity code. Once your account is set up, you are able to log in and out as needed. If you ever forget your password, you can recover it by navigating to sfsu.sona-systems.com and on the right side of the screen, click the Forgot Password button. Follow the steps on the following screen to retrieve your password. If you are still unable to log in or retrieve your password, contact the SONA administrator at sonasfsu@gmail.com. The following section will provide answers to several common questions regarding SONA credits. Based on department policy, all researchers are required to follow this set of guidelines for assigning SONA credits to their study. SONA credits are assigned to students based on three factors: time required for the study, the location of the study, and the number of sessions in the study. We will provide details on each of these. First, the time required to complete the study means the amount of time a student spends completing the study should translate to a certain number of SONA credits being earned. This results in 0.25 credits for each 15 minutes of student time. For example, a 15-minute study would be worth 0.25 credits. A 60-minute study would be worth 1 credit, and a 70-minute study would be worth 1.25 credits. Notice that researchers should always round up when assigning credits. Second, the location of the study means where the student completes the study should also translate to a certain number of SONA credits being earned. This results in no additional credits for studies completed online, but for 0.5 additional credits for all studies completed in person. For example, a 15-minute study done in person would be worth 0.25 credits for the time of the study, with an additional 0.5 credits for being done in person, resulting in a total of 0.75 credits. A 60-minute study done in person would be worth 1 credit for the time of the study, with an additional 0.5 credits for being done in person, resulting in a total of 1.5 credits being earned. And a 70-minute study done in person would be worth 1.25 credits for the time of the study, with an additional 0.5 credits for being done in person, resulting in a total of 1.75 credits. Remember, researchers should always round up when assigning credits. Third, the number of sessions for the study means how many times the student needs to complete an action should also translate to a certain number of SONA credits being earned. This results in no additional credit for studies completed in a single session, but for 0.5 additional credits for all studies completed as subsequent sessions. For example, a 15-minute study with 2 sessions would be worth 0.25 credits for the time of the study in the first session, with an additional 0.5 credits for the second 15-minute session, resulting in a total of 0.75 credits for the second session. A 60-minute study with 3 sessions would be worth 1 credit for the time of the study in the first session, with an additional 0.5 credits for the second and third sessions, resulting in a total of 1.5 credits for the second session and 1.5 credits for the third session. It is important to keep in mind that researchers have a specific time frame to collect data in the SONA system. SONA opens the first week of instruction during the fall and spring semesters. The SONA system closes at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time the final weekday before final exams begin. This means that you will only be able to participate in studies after the first week of instruction and before 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time the final weekday before final exams begin. By closing all studies before finals, this ensures that all completed credits will be awarded to students and listed in the SONA system before instructors calculate their final grades. Note that some researchers or instructors may also set earlier deadlines in their courses for completing SONA credits. This concludes the training on student accounts in the SONA system. For any questions not answered by this video, please check our FAQ sheet first posted on the department website. If you still have questions after reviewing the FAQ sheet, you can contact the SONA administrator at sonasfsu@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.